My name is Dr. Jose Luis Carrillo. I'm an orthopedic surgeon from the city of Guadalajara in Mexico. I specialize in knee and hip replacements and in arthroscopic surgery. I decided to become an orthopedic surgeon just as my father, and we formed Group TOCA because medicine runs in my family. We love taking care of our patients since the beginning of their illness until they make a full recovery. Our international patients at TOCA Group will feel just right at home. We like treating patients as if they were family members. We will provide worldwide excellent service in the healthcare industry. So the thing that we love the most in Group TOCA is making this journey really easy for the patient. Studying abroad made me understand better the American and the Canadian culture and made me be better in my skills, understand and learn during my fellowship, such as when a patient comes to Mexico, it will be treated the same as if the surgery was being performed in the United States or Canada. We use also in TOCA Group the best medical equipment and that are used throughout the world. We try to keep up to date by attending international and national courses in order to develop surgical skills and knowledge. We will always be happy to answer any questions and to hear from you again.